While I'm out here in the cold wrapping my plants for the freeze, I just noticed something on one of my air layers. It's growing fruit already. I told you guys that when you make an air layer, that is going to grow fruit in the same year. Now, I did this air layer, you know, I put it in the ground. I transplanted not too long ago, and it's already growing fruit just like the other one. I want you to see it. Now, look at this Pakistani mulberry. I think it's a Pakistani if I can remember. Doing this thing. Look at all those fruit on there. Unfortunately, it's getting ready to freeze, but I'm gonna wrap it up. Okay, now the other one that I grafted it from, it was supposed to grow fruit, because look at the trunk. Look at all the fruit on there. Amazing. So the bigger the tree, the bigger the fruit. Right? Just thought I'd show you guys that. It's not just about the talk. It's about the walk. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you while I'm out here wrapping my trees, I had to wrap this eucalyptus. I want to show you guys how you can actually cut a branch and propagate it. Now the guy I bought it from, that I was buying a eucalyptus tree from, he said, well, we took it back to him because we was like, you know, we don't want that eucalyptus tree because it kind of smelled like boo-boo to us. But honestly, you know, we was like, well, we want this other one. He said, well, we can't give you that one. And so I think he was either charging too much or it wasn't for sale. So I said, well, can you at least cut me a branch off of it? Because I paid like $100. And I said, I know what to do with it. So I stuck it in this part of the ground because this part of the ground is still very low and it stays moist. And I knew that if I had the faith of doing it how I usually did it, that it would come to life. Now look what happened. When you see life, that means there's life under there. So I'm wrapping it because I don't want to lose it in the freeze. You understand? And I'm just so excited to have a eucalyptus tree that I got for free. It smells so wonderful.